Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to look at how to stop a running model in Ollama. As you can see, we have a model up and running right now, using the command Ollama run Llama. We can easily verify that it's active by checking our running models. To do that, type Ollama PS and hit enter. Right there you can see Llama 3.2 is visible in the list because it's actively running in the background. Now when you need to shut it down, you use the stop command. If you ever want to verify the syntax, you can just type Ollama and hit enter to see the full help menu. Right here, you'll see the stop command, which is used specifically to halt a running model. To use it, simply type Ollama stop followed by the exact name of the model you want to shut down, which in this case is Llama. Press enter and the model stops immediately. Let's double check and make sure it's fully closed. We'll run the status command again by typing Ollama PS and hitting enter. As you can see, the list is completely empty now. The running model has been successfully stopped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.